Okay, Phoebe. Say hi. You just got up from your nap. Your hair's all messed up. What do you have to say? Oh, yeah? Will you show everybody your teeth? Oh. Oh. What else?
Go get these.
Oh, yeah? Does Dad say hi, Grandma, Grandpa? Oh. Okay. Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye, Phoebe.
That was a hug. And here's a kiss.